Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pitt Meadows local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to handle your next move, a cheap Pitt Meadows moving company is necessary. Hiring 3 movers makes a lot of sense since we charge the lowest rates and offer the best service. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services throughout the area. Whether you're relocating your business or your home, we can help. If you're ready to handle relocating 100 miles away or further, you need our long-distance moving services. With these services, we can also offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate across the country, we have the right services for you. Our team of long-distance movers can provide the easiest moving options for your specific needs. When you hire a Canada moving company to help with your local move, you will have less to worry about. The right team will take care of all the lifting and will even do the packing if you hire them to do so. 3 Movers offers the best services for your local move. We know how to streamline the process so you get settled in faster and with more energy left on moving day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pitt Meadows moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.